Itekiteki. Itekiteki. This is a type of flower or decoration stuck in hair, usually behind the ear by women or men. Stuck in hair, this is because almost every indigenous Fijians wear afro back in the days. Nowadays, if a person without an afro wears a teki behind their ears, a spring of the fragrant woody is commonly used. The woody is well known to all indigenous Fijians, and they often they grow them in every villages. Wearing teki is often a matter of whim rather than any special occasion. Now, you may have heard of this. If you have flower behind both ears, it means you are married. If you have a flower behind the right ear, it means you have a romantic partner. But if you have flowers on the left, it means you're still looking or you're single. This was invented as a tourist stock only, and it is not traditional. The usually red ornamental hibiscus, the senitoa, is then introduced, mostly worn in resorts and hotels. Again, this is not a traditional teki, only worn in resorts and hotels. It is contrary to Fijian custom that teki be worn casually in a chiefly village area. Nak.